This exercise is a bodyweight reverse crunch for the lower abdominals performed on a decline bench for added difficulty and resistance. Make sure to pull your knees into your chest and roll your hips up and over your torso. This is the key to getting the lower abdominal contraction. Fully exhale on the contraction, pulling your navel toward your face. Notice I keep my legs slightly spread to increase the range of motion past my head and create greater contraction by allowing my knees to move on either side of my head. A common mistake on this exercise is straightening the legs completely and allowing the hip flexors to dominate the movement. If this version is too difficult for you, try performing this exercise on a lower decline or even on a flat bench or the floor. To advance this exercise, use ankle straps and a cable to add weight and increase the resistance.